Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a reference in Microsoft Word for students and teacher and PhD scholars. Yes, Word has providing lot of options to create a different kind of articles which is used for all the purposes. Yes, as you see this page, you can able to see the reference. Once you create some articles, some information analytics, if you need to give the reference from you are deriving from the different kind of places. In this Word option, they are giving a lot of option to create automatic reference section so that you can able to give the information to the people, those who are reading the article. Yes, in this session I would like to share how to create reference in Microsoft Word. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, in your desktop, just go to Start menu and search Word. Yes, Word application, Microsoft Word to create a document purpose. Yes, click a blank documents. So in this reference section is used for all the version of Microsoft Word 2007, 10, 13, 16 and 19 as well. Yeah, so now I would like to create a document first. So this is a reference for Martin Joseph. So I have typed this is a reference for the Martin Joseph I have given. So in this Word I would like to give the reference about this page. Yeah, so in your top labels, in Microsoft top labels, you will find file, home, insert, design, layout. These are useful for the Word purpose, and here you will find a reference sessions which is used to create a reference for the students, PhD holders and teachers. Yes, once I click the reference section, it will direct you to the table of content, footnote and citation and bibliography is there. Yeah, in the citation and bibliography only we need to create a citations, that is a reference session. Yes, the first one, insert citation is there. No, just click that and create add new source, because we are creating new source. How to create a citations, just click add new source, and in this source there will be a type of source. For example, this text, the reference from Martin Joseph, in this text we have to give any other book section or journal article or any other article you can give as well. Yeah, I just select website and author name. I just create the author name of that section and name of the page I have given. Yes, so whatever information you are giving, automatically it will be direct you to the place. Yeah, so I have given the details and name of the year and the month. I have given the month and the day and the URL. You want to give your URL, for example, you need to give like this, http. So http:/martin.com. Just create a by the citations, that is for a reference. Yes, click OK. Yes, once you click OK, in this Word documents, this is a reference. Yes, so once I have given the option, for example, history of media will help you to give info. So just I have given history of media will give you the information. Just I have to give the book reference of that. Just to click the insert citation. It is already we have created one is there. You want to add more citations, that is add new, and I have given the book. Yes, the author name, for example, author name I have given Adric Joseph. Yeah, the title name is Media for Education. Just I have given something else, which year it is came, 1993, and the city of Chennai, and publisher name, something you can give. Yeah, so I have given Adric publication. I have given and click OK. Yeah, so the details, the Joseph A 1993 will be there. It will be directed to the option of creation. Yeah, so the last name will be there. It will be displayed to the reference section. So these are the citation option. After complete your all the articles, whichever you written all the article, you need to give a citations. Yes, once you finish your citation, just click the reference label and click bibliography. Once you click the bibliography, it will be show the different kind of reference options, like different kind of options of reference. It will show whatever reference you can show, because this is, I have created the thing. This is bibliography, reference and work cities. I just select reference. Yeah, once I click, automatically whatever reference I have given, that will reflect in my Word documents. Yes, as you see, the first page, whatever I have given, the Joseph E.M. 1999. So here they have mentioned here, automatically it will direct you to the option. Yeah, so this will direct you to the my site name, whatever things I have given, that reference will come here, as well as the reference of the books I have given, Joseph A. Automatically it will display the 1993, the Media of Education Chennai Agric publication were released. So this reference will help you to go through that. Once you create some books, once you create an article or thesis, you have to create a reference. For the reference, you can go through the books and articles to read more information you would like to share. Automatically, once you create a Word document, it will direct you to the option. Hope this option will help you to create a different kind of reference options. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.